Number 1. PellKing Motorcycle Bike Accessory Bundle for Insta360 ONE X4. The must-have starter bundle for Insta360 ONE X4, especially worth the price to get a must-have accessories kit, mainly includes carrying case with shoulder belt. All accessories in this kit can stored, handlebars mount, chest strap, head strap, helmet mount with 16.5 cm extension arm, metal made, 113 cm selfie stick, metal made, 360 rotation backpack mount, screen protector for X4. Number 2. Motorcycle Bike Handlebar Double Clamp Mount. The Tazener Motorcycle Riding Photography Kit specializes in providing stable, high-quality video animations, featuring a metal selfie stick specifically designed for cycling. It extends and locks securely to prevent slippage, ideal for recording while riding bicycles and motorcycles. Number 3. Bike Motorcycle Handlebar Mounting Bundle Kit. You can mount these Nubake camera accessories kit with any action cameras on any handlebar of your bike, motorcycle, or e-bike, or any helmets for shooting. This Nubake motorcycle camera accessories bundle kit is ideal for mounts for any dirt tracks, road trips, or track days. Number 4. PellKing Magnet Camera Mount for GoPro. This PellKing magnetic mount adopts triangle structure design. There are two strong magnets mount at the bottom. It can be firmly mounted on the iron part of your car body, provides a stable shooting environment. You'll never worry about the camera being unstable or slipping. Number 5. Motorcycle Handlebar Clamp Mount Kits. This camera accessory set has almost everything one can think of for shooting with a GoPro or other action cameras on motorcycle or bike. You can attach camera to your helmet, to your motorbike's handlebars. Offers of options for mounting your camera for your riding captures. Hello friends, welcome to this video. We have reviewed high-quality products in our channel's video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to our channel.